What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here in fabulous Las Vegas. Guys, if you can't see behind me, we got the Floopie mobile. Last year I wrapped my car in gift wrapping paper and we unfortunately lost all the footage. We went out to the mountains. We didn't go to the mountains, that was a plan, but we got some really cool videos. Yes, it sounds crazy, but we actually did it in 9 days. Took a really long time, but dedication is key. So today we are here to do it again. This year we are planning on not to lose the footage. So we're here again, gonna show you the car before, and then I'm gonna show you guys the car after, and let me know what you think. I'll see you at the end.
Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Okay, so I just wrapped basically the whole car. All I have left is a front bumper, the hood, and the roof, and I just opened up my second roll. So I think I did pretty well. Honestly, if I use all those scraps, I'm sure I could probably cover the roof, but we have more rolls, why not use them? Let's see what we could do. Guys, the vehicle, aka the Floopie mobile, aka the Christmas mobile 2.0 is officially complete, and what not of a better place to bring it than the Las Vegas sign. So it is right now 6:30 in the morning, just brought it out, still up by the way. Your boy Floopie doesn't sleep. If you know me, you know that's nothing new. But we brought out the Christmas mobile, getting some shots, and let me go ahead and get you some little sneak peeks before the actual reveal video.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why.